discover the amazing effects of consuming 2 cloves of garlic on an empty stomach. Garlic, scientifically known as allium sativa, has been celebrated for its culinary and medicinal properties for centuries, particularly its positive impact on heart health. When consumed on an empty stomach, garlic offers even more remarkable advantages for cardiovascular well-being. One of the significant benefits of garlic is its ability to lower cholesterol levels, specifically reduce LDL or bad cholesterol, which is a crucial risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, regular garlic intake has been associated with a reduction in blood pressure, attributed to allicin, a sulfur-containing compound found in garlic. Allicin helps widen blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and lowered blood pressure levels. Garlic is also rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals in the body. These harmful free radicals can damage blood vessels and contribute to the development of atherosclerosis, where plaque buildup in the arteries. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach provides a strong antioxidant boost, reducing the risk of arterial damage. Besides, garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that protect blood vessels from damage and contribute to improved heart health. Chronic inflammation is linked to various cardiovascular diseases, and garlic's anti-inflammatory properties play a role in preventing such conditions. Garlic's natural antiplatelet properties help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes when they obstruct blood flow to vital organs. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach enhances this beneficial effect, reducing the risk of clot-related cardiovascular events. Garlic also promotes endothelial function, helping blood vessels relax and contract efficiently. Healthy endothelial function is crucial for maintaining proper blood flow and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, garlic not only reduces the LDL cholesterol, but also increases HDL, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps remove excess LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of plaque formation. Garlic has also shown the ability to lower blood sugar levels in some studies, indirectly benefiting the heart, as diabetes and uncontrolled blood sugar levels are risk factors for heart disease. Elevated triglyceride levels in the blood are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Regular garlic consumption has been shown to lower triglyceride levels, contributing to heart health. The compounds in garlic improve overall blood circulation. Ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach all parts of the body effectively. Improved circulation positively impact heart health and reduce the workload on the heart. Furthermore, garlic enhances arterial elasticity and flexibility, preventing arteries from becoming stiff and narrow, which reduces the risk of hypertension and other cardiovascular issues. Additionally, garlic's immune-boosting properties help protect against infections and inflammation, indirectly benefiting the heart by supporting overall well-being. In conclusion, incorporating garlic into your morning routine on an empty stomach can offer numerous health benefits, especially for your heart. From cholesterol management and blood pressure regulation to antioxidant power and anti-inflammatory effects, garlic provides a wide range of advantages that contribute to overall cardiovascular health. However, it's essential to remember that while garlic can be a valuable addition to heart-healthy lifestyle, it is not a substitute for medical treatment or a balanced diet. Please consult your healthcare provider for more details. Thank you for watching this video.